Hello friends, welcome to Abhyanvi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to solve this puzzle using Python script. So here we have a puzzle in English crossword which is cities are given. So we have to find the cities. Cities may be horizontal, vertical or diagonally up, diagonally down, okay, diagonally left up, diagonally left down like that. So it may be in 8 directions. So we have to find the city using the Python script. So I thought, why can't we do with the Python script by using the PY module automation, where we'll find the letters by supplying the images and all. So first, to do this, first we have to take the images. Like for example, I want to find the city Ajmer. Okay, so there is a and we have to take the J. Okay, J M. Okay, then E and R. Okay, so like this, first we have to take the images. Okay, then we have to make a short image like this where we have to find the cities. Okay, then we'll write a script. I will explain. I have written a script and it is working fine. So I'll explain what I have done. So PY is automation module we have to import, then time, then PY import desktop to take the window focus, background image window focus, we have to import the desktop. So here what I am doing is I have written a function check valid pair. That means, for example, if you take any letter here, for example, Ajmer I have to find, right? So A, J, M, E, R. So I will take this A image, okay, and I will find the letter beside this in all directions, okay. So next letter is J. So I will find whether J is in all these directions, okay, 8 directions. I will find whether J is there or not. To do that, I have written a function check valid pair, means it will check side by letter in 8 directions with these positions. So once I will locate the image here, okay, for example, here I am locating the image on the, or I am finding the location of A on the image, right? So it will give lot of A positions, right? So many A letters are there. So each A letter I will take and compare with the next letter. See each A letter, right? List A is for positions of A in the image. So I will take each position of each letter A and I will check the side by letter whether J is there or not. Okay. If J is there or not, how I found with the check valid pair. Okay. So this list gives all A's and the second list will give all J's. And what check valid pair will do? It will compare the positions of J with respect to A and it will falls within these circumstances. These are the coordinates for 8 directions. Okay. So if falls in this, then it will return true. Okay. It will return true. Right. So here I am calling the function, and if it is true, then I am telling return true. Same thing I will do with M, J with M, okay, and M with E and E with R, okay. So all these conditions are met, then we will get Ajmer. But Ajmer may be in any direction, right? It may be horizontal, vertical, diagonally up, diagonally down, diagonally left. To solve that, we have to give one more condition. Once we got Ajmer letters, so this condition has to be met. Here I have considered diagonally uh, left, okay, like diagonally left down condition I considered, and I am giving the coordinates like this, okay. Down left conditions means like Ajmer, okay. So down left, diagonally left and down. So those conditions I have given here. So here only one condition I have given, diagonally left down. Like that we have to give 8 conditions, like x-axis, horizontal, vertical, diagonally up, right, diagonally up, left, all those 8 conditions we have to give here with OR conditions. But here I have given only one condition to explain in this script. So to find the Ajmer city, so it is diagonally left down. So I have given all those coordinates here. Then once this condition is met, I am appending to the list that object. All these objects I am appending to the list. Object is for A. Object 1 is for J. Object is 2 for M. Like that Ajmer. 5 letters I am appending. Okay. So there are so many 5 letters it will give. So I am taking only first 5 letters. Okay. Then I am using a for loop uh, to go through each letter and move the mouse. Okay. To those letters. Let us run this script and see how it works. Okay. So this is our image. Then run the script. So there is a error. Okay, let me close this and again we'll run. This is my image. Let us run this. So this is my image. It will find Ajmer now with the mouse moving. Okay, like this. So A, J, M, E, R. So like this it will found the city using the Python automation. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi Tutorials for more such amazing Python videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.